Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're showcasing the ZUMELER 9 PC's metal cake stands, a stunning gold set perfect for any occasion, from weddings to birthday parties. This versatile package includes two 3-tier cupcake stands, a medium cake stand with a base, a standalone cake stand, a cupcake stand with a handle, 2 rectangular cake pans, and 2 additional cupcake stands, offering the ultimate display solution for cupcakes, candies, cookies, macarons, and more. Crafted with exquisite craftsmanship, these stands feature a lovely hollow edge and smooth lines, made from high-quality metal with a shiny metallic finish that adds a touch of elegance to any celebration. The ZUMELER cake stands are not only beautiful but also incredibly easy to install, with a simple screw-on design and detailed instructions to guide you. Cleaning is a breeze, requiring just a wet cloth to wipe the surface, ensuring your stands always look their best. Whether you're hosting a baby shower or a grand celebration, this multifunctional cake stand set is the best choice to showcase your favorite desserts in style. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product showcases. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.